So basically, I'll be having three enterprises, which are the manufacturer, distributor, and the dispenser. And each enterprise has three roles, as in the admin role, the inventory manager role, and the order manager role. So let me first get into the admin role of the manufacturer. So when I log in, I can create the user accounts for my inventory manager and my order manager. But as of now, I already have the user accounts created. So I can create new drug if I want. So let's say ABC, and I can select the type of the drug and say 3.
Can you right click on the create new drug, get the location, log out, paste the address.
It will be redirected to the login page.
Okay, was that a admin page, the previous page?
Yeah, manufacturer admin page.
Can you log in with some other role, username? Just paste the link right now.
No, I haven't done the other part of the session validation.
Okay.
So I can first create the drug. Do you want me to create the drug, or I already have few drugs, or
just use the ones that you have? You don't have to.
So once the drug is created, the inventory manager can manufacture the drugs. If I say this particular item, I will manufacture it. So when I go and see view inventory, I can see the PDF report of the items which have been created and the inventory item IDs. So now when the manufacturer has created the items, then the distributor needs to request for the items. So the distributor order manager will place a request. So he can make an order. So he selects the manufacturer name and says, okay, I give 20 items of this. So I can, even if I give the same, for the same particular drug, if I give some other quantity, it will reflect in my cart, as in like the item, the quantity gets modified. I can even modify the quantity from here. Say, I'll say, and I can add another item too. So if I want to delete it from the cart, I can delete it. So now I'm going to like place this particular request to the manufacturer. So now the manufacturer order manager can see the request. When he sees my task, he'll assign it to himself and then process the order. So now you can see the distributor who has asked for that particular drug, the information and the order items he has asked. So he has asked for 15 and he has 100. So he's going to ship it back to the distributor. Now the inventory manager of the distributor can log in. So when he logs in, he can see his task, he'll assign it to himself, and then he'll process the order. So these are the items that he has received from the manufacturer side. So he'll add it to his inventory. So the request has been processed. So now the hospital can request for so you can place the request to the distributor.
Just another one. Just go back to the previous page. The inventory. Can you add another per aldım, the last one? Go to make an order.
Okay.
How?
So I can
Add another one for the per aldım.
So the quantity gets updated in the cart.
Okay. Can you edit any information from the screen? Let's say I want to change the quantity.
Yeah, I can modify it.
Okay.
So even if I want, I can remove the item from my cart. So
What if you accidentally click on remove?
I can still add it from my cart. I have the
But you forget about, so you accidentally delete something and you want to put it back.
So if I want to do that, I can create another order. For example, if I accidentally deleted removed from the cart,
But
I can make
how do you know which one you deleted?
So I didn't.
So deletions are risky. You need to have one more confirmation page.
Okay.
So you don't delete instantly.
Okay.
You have to ask user this, you are about to delete the following item. This cannot be undone. Right? Anything else?
So I'll check out, and now just give me like 3 minutes. I'll wrap it. So the distributor inventory order manager will see his task. So he'll process the order. So he'll proceed shipping. So the hospital has its inventory. Hospital inventory manager will go and accept the items that he has got. So he can add it to the inventory. So for example, when you see your inventory and say view inventory, I have the PDF report. For example, let's say I have inventory item 21. So for example, if the hospital feels that drug can be a counterfeit, so the admin can send an email to the government saying this, I find this to be a counterfeited drug. So the hospital admin will log in and he can report to the government. So
But that field should be automatically populated. How do you know the government's email address?
Yeah, it should have come from the controller when.
So how do you know what is the email address of the government?
As in the person who the hospital has to contact in order if they find some drug as counterfeited. So you can say please check.
Those two fields should be automatically populated, right?
Yeah, I should have done that. So I did this at the last moment, so I didn't complete that. So I'll just send an email. So we can see, okay, please check 27. So now the government can log in. He has the login. When I say 27 and track, you get the when I say 27 and track, I get the entire transaction history as to which manufacturer has manufactured that particular drug and which organization has sent that particular drug to the distributor and who has processed that drug. So I get I can capture the entire details of that particular inventory item, who has manufactured it, and the user accounts involved with that particular inventory. So this is just a report of how the that particular drug has been passed through the supply chain. So this is my problem.
All right. Thank you.